We start this Moroccan delicacy with a cup of sliced almonds, toasted in oil, cinnamon and sugar, about 1 teaspoon each. Fry on low to medium heat for about 10 minutes and then remove them from the pan, but leave the oil base, which now has a strong flavor. Now we add 1 onion and finely diced ginger. This is followed by 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Lastly, we add a pinch of saffron, or as much as you can afford. We now add 1 to 2 inch cuts of chicken meat from 2 breasts. Stir them into the mixture. Now we will add about a quarter cup of chicken stock and then close the pan. Cook the chicken for about 30 minutes. We want the meat to easily fall apart after the cooking process. Be careful not to add too much liquid. You'll see why soon. About 15 minutes into the cooking process, open the lid and add about a cup of cut parsley and blend. After 30 minutes, you can begin to remove the chicken and then pull each piece into small shreds of meat. And set the shredded chicken aside for now. We will add 3 to 4 eggs to the mixture and want it to be almost dry. Which is why I said not to add too much stock. As you can see, as soon as you add the eggs, the moisture begins to dry quickly. Keep stirring until the mixture separates. This is where everything comes back together. Some Moroccan chefs present the pie in layers of almonds, chicken and eggs, but we prefer to mix it. Wow! This is the real authentic mixture of almonds, cinnamon, sugar, saffron, ginger, tender meats and eggs to be wrapped in phyllo dough and baked for another 20 minutes at 400 degrees. This dish is as delicious cold as it is hot. It is a must-eat on any trip to Morocco. When it comes out of the oven, sprinkle some confectioner's sugar and cinnamon. If you have never tried or made this, we would love to hear your comments. And what better dish to celebrate another Las's Kitchen opening in Tangier. Thank you for joining us and see you again soon. Bye now.